amazing day. So this is the DIY Christmas tree. I made a bigger version of this last year. I will insert a picture somewhere here. Went for this mini version because I'm suffering from spondylitis and I can't make a bigger version because it's nothing actually, but for the bigger version I have to make a lot of ornaments, like a lot of ornaments. That's why I went for the mini version, and you can go for like a bigger version and hang it on your wall. So for the base I am taking this wooden board. I am using the back portion of the board. I don't want the clip to be seen, so I'm using the back portion. Then you have to collect some branches or sticks and you have to cut them accordingly so that they look like a Christmas tree. Then I am taking some embroidery. You can use rope if you're using heavier branches and a bigger version of this, but for this embroidery floss will do. And you have to do double knots from the bottom to the top and then again come towards the bottom. You can see I'm keeping an extra portion of the thread. That way you can get rid of the board and also hang it somewhere on the wall or anywhere. Decoration of the tree totally depends on you. You can buy ornaments and hang it. That will look really cute, but I thought of making some ornaments. I made some flowers and snowflakes, and also I had some pine cones. So yeah, I am hanging the pine cones at the base. So for the tissue paper flowers, I'm taking some tissue paper, I am folding them from the middle, and then I am using the zigzag method of folding, basically creating a fan. After that I am tying it with a thread at the middle. You can use a stapler. I was out of stapler pins, that's why I'm using thread. After you're done, cut both the ends and then start opening the layers of the tissue paper, and basically it gives the look of a flower, which is pretty cute. For the snowflake, you need a square sheet of paper. Now fold them from the middle just the way I am, and then fold it again, and this fold was to create that line. Open the second fold and you see a line being formed, and from that line you have to fold just the way I am. Then turn over the paper and draw the pattern which I have drawn. Now this is only one pattern. There are many different forms of pattern for snowflakes. This is only one form of snowflake, like there are many different forms of snowflake. You can Google it, the patterns, and you just have to cut it out and open it, and there you go, you have your snowflake. And I made different sizes of snowflakes. after that, decorate your Christmas tree just the way you want. I'm just hanging the snowflakes, and I used double tape for pasting the flowers on the board. For today's video, like the video if you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.